Every day is a reason to chase what you've been dreaming.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here,
Strive.
along with Jessie girl. Say hi, Jess.
Hello, hello,
Hello.
everyone.
And Eliza's over here too. Say hi, Eliza.
Hi.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little unboxing today. So today I got two awesome things. I actually bought my new glasses right here. Hey, don't show the address.
I mean, how
Okay.
to take it out? Duh.
Right here, I went to Sunglass Hut and I bought these Ray-Bans, guys. Check that out.
All right, there.
Can you see it? Can you see it good? Focus. 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 Focus.
How you can see focus? Can you even see it?
I don't know. Right here, guys.
I got
Wow.
slime. These are my slime.
Slime. Eliza got slime. Cool. Right here. Hey, what
What's
happened?
wrong with your
I like
slime?
this one.
Hello.
So right there. Got my new glasses right here, guys. And we got Mr. Romeo over there making
Romeo,
noise.
stop making noise, please.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna put these
Stop
back.
making noise, please.
I opened my
So
slime.
noisy.
Okay, so we got something through Amazon here.
Quiet.
Romeo, we're trying to do an unboxing here, guys.
Romeo, turn off
I'm
that
boxing
one,
my
please.
slime.
All right, so here we go, guys. Unboxing action. And Eliza's trying to steal the spotlight over here.
Move it. Go to
Move,
the side.
Eliza.
I am.
Right.
You're not.
Ooh. Hold on, hold on. Make sure nothing's in here. Okay, put this to the side.
Look
So,
at that new phone.
I don't know.
I want it.
Okay. Eliza, can you please move, please?
I will.
All right, so here we go, guys. Got this
I don't know what that is, but I
right here. Take out my glasses.
Okay, look weird.
Ooh, focus. Right here, guys. I got a watch
Watching you.
from. Oh, let's do a little shout out. Oh, that looks good, Jess.
No.
I want.
Oh my God. What the hell?
Just kidding, guys. Right here from our neighbor. But from bread. We always buy bread from our good friend
This chocolate is so
Linda.
good.
Rinda, sorry. Loki Lani's banana bread and treats. Check her out.
Thank you for buttering.
Yeah,
Buying it.
awesome bread, guys. Check her out. And
The
what is that? Those
description below.
farmers markets, craft fairs, and all that
Yeah, she's
throughout the island. Must buy.
What's that?
Must buy.
Look at my
What
hand.
the hell? Big baby.
It's chocolate, that's why I
good.
like it.
Good.
Ah, finish it then.
Okay.
You're done. Get away.
Let me put my glasses away, guys. The worst unboxing ever again. Sorry about that.
Why?
Z.
Z. Zero.
Alright, so yeah. Vincero, guys. Let's open this thing up. Let's add on some more light.
I also feel like I want to
Okay,
do this.
excuse me.
Now it's bright.
So I'm gonna turn the camera around.
I got my nice watch.
Ta-da!
Just $10 at Walmart.
Wow, Jess. Wow. Wow.
Well, you can use, and then if they
Stand
broke,
by my
throw away.
side.
Oh yeah?
Just for my
Okay.
working, I need time.
Hold on, guys. I gotta flip this to the side here.
Because the time is very fast. I want to make the time slow down.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah. So I need time.
Nobody cares.
Nobody care.
Hey.
Nobody cares.
So right here, guys. Woo!
Sorry, it's my slime.
Vincero.
Nice,
Check that out, guys.
Look at the hard shit.
Let's
Why
open
did
up
I
this
fix
bad
it?
boy.
Oh, what's the phone?
Okay, go
No,
fix
it's
them.
not.
Look at that, guys. How to open it? I don't even know how to open this thing.
It's easy.
God,
Okay.
learn.
Simple. Mom's all dressed here?
Ooh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Tan 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 tan.
Boring. Nice one.
Whoa!
That's
Check
so
that.
cool.
Check this out, guys.
Well, look.
Look at that. What we got in this box? Okay, let's put this.
Okay.
Oh my God! Here we go. Let's get this close up action, guys. Look at that.
Okay, let me see. Where is it?
Okay, inside the right here in the box, live your legacy, guys. Okay,
Right
hold this.
here.
Live your legacy.
Look to the side. What we got here? What we got here? We got here. Live Vincero. Ooh, to win 500. Okay, dollars. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, plug that to the side.
You just
Like Flossie
smacked
Carter
it.
says in his videos. So we got more, I guess a manual right here, guys.
Instructions.
Plug that to the side.
No more
Oh,
battery?
this feels good. That feels good, guys. Nice
Opening
box.
my slime.
Okay, so put that to the side.
Look.
Yeah. Jess is going off
sticky.
already.
Let I
Look at
just
that.
go try. I just want to see it what look
No
like.
problemo, Jess.
My slime.
My God's too yeah.
Oh yeah?
This is the guys watch, but I like guys watch.
You like guys watch.
Yeah, nice.
Got the monster guys right here.
My God, why is too hard?
So Jesse's trying to figure it out, guys.
Trying to figure out how to do this into a ball.
You know how, Jess?
I think so. Oh my God, this is the last one only. It's too small, my wrist. Very small.
You have a small wrist. Oh sheesh, that's might be in trouble because mine is just a small.
Minus. Let's say
Minus.
minus one.
Okay, -1 by Jess.
Oh my God, it's not. It's nice,
Wow.
but you have to take it out the stuff right here because brand new, yeah.
Okay, don't move this. Yeah, look at that, guys.
See how really nice the watch for the guys, but the Wahine is so ugly. Look at the
You
Wahine.
guys have nice watches too.
No, it's
I have
ugly.
nice watch.
Huh?
I like guys watch.
Oh, yeah.
Face out. HL, face out.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness.
I got this.
Ah, nice color. I like it.
That looks nice. Bring it closer.
I got this one.
Holy moly! But no more,
Don't move.
no more battery.
I don't know. No, you have to do something first.
They do not working. It's stuck.
I have this one.
7 is what's today?
Wow.
Today is
How does it look? Yes. How does it look?
it's good, but this one is I don't know. It's very hard.
So
What
you
is
got
this?
Italian leather straps there,
Oh,
guys.
that's why.
That's
It's,
Italian leather. Does it feel good, Jess?
I
feels
don't know.
good, man.
Just try it
We have
for
a
you.
pack of them. Look.
Alright po. I
Feels
cannot
good,
even.
man. No, that's. Oh, fit good.
I cannot even take it out.
Okay, go.
I don't know, Ethan.
Oh, wait for your
Let's
uncle because
play
that's
the
brand
game
new.
Wow.
Look,
Yeah.
Look, Dad, the watch is right here.
Look at
that,
that bad
man.
boy, and then take a look in the behind on the scene.
Wow.
Wow.
Vincero.
Vincero.
So you got
Vincero.
Italian leather, and you've got what they call this now, scratch resistant. Take out that plastic piece, Jess. Come on, man. Give it the program, woman.
What the hell? You never told me to take it out plastic.
Take it out so we can see it.
How?
Oh, he just. There you
Look at the
go.
bad boy.
Nice, man. Ow. Wipe that bad boy. Here.
What I go wipe the one that is a number?
No, they got that. They got something on there.
Well, give me then. I need that because you cannot. Why they don't have something right
There's
there?
lint on top. There you go. Yeah, it's scratch proof too. Look at that, guys.
Very nice.
Okay, well. Alright. Hope you like the little unboxing, guys. Vincero watches. You know what? Let me slap it on too, Jess. What's the matter with you, fool? Give me that. Smile.
Oh, right there. Give it to
Your mom, yeah?
Mine? Only $10
Bye, bye.
my son. Why?
That yours, Mom?
No, that's daddy. That's not mine.
Oh.
Look at that guy. Okay, I'm gonna slap it on.
So
the
just
first
slap it
time.
on like that then. You just slap it on your
No.
arm.
New.
Look,
Here
Mom.
we go. Ooh, 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 ooh,
And then this gasket.
ooh. Oh, there we go. Perfecto. Gotta give some. Ooh, brand new. That's why it's brand new. That's why it's a little hard and tight. It's brand new.
Ay, that's
man.
dirty, son.
I don't think this moves right here, Jess.
Candy. Mommy,
Okay.
there's still candy
Put
in
it all the
there.
way, honey.
Huh?
Put all the way. Yeah.
Mine. The back.
Okay, there you go.
More candy.
Yeah, because Agri does keep moving.
Okay. This first one doesn't move, right?
The first one, yes.
Doesn't move.
Mine is looking.
Okay, here we go.
Right here.
The loudest unboxing ever, guys. So
This is the one inside.
there we go, guys.
Right here.
There we go. Vincero. Woo! I got my stuff here. My God.
Be quiet.